Today we are back with the topic of a role of earthworm in soil health and benefits. Earthworms are functionally very important and diverse, therefore potentially useful for the management of biodiversity and ecosystem services. It helps build your soil. It contributes significantly to soil health as they GID through the soil and feed on microorganisms and organic matter. There are thousands of earthworm species. Worldwide, these species are placed into one of three groups depending upon their burrowing and feeding habits. Each group of these earthworms contribute to soil health in different ways, but they have a couple of things in common. Earthworms frequently excrete these castings through the soil profile. There the castings rapidly stabilize and become resistant to chemical and physical degradation. This benefits total soil structure by helping to prevent compaction. Casting also acts as storage units for nutrients such as nitrogen and carbon. Thanks for your time and please subscribe our channel.